Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe a new law you would like to introduce in your country. You should say what law it is. What changes will this law bring? Whether this new law will be popular? And explain how you feel about this new law. If I were able to enact new legislation in my nation, I would strongly advocate for a ban on food waste in homes, hotels, and restaurants. In many nations, including mine, where millions of people suffer from poverty and malnutrition, food waste is a major problem. This rule would mandate that eateries, lodging facilities, grocery stores, and even private citizens reduce food waste. Businesses would be legally obligated to donate leftover food to food banks, shelters, or organizations that assist the poor rather than discarding it. By putting strategies like meal planning and composting organic waste into practice, households would also be encouraged to cut down on waste. This law would improve society in a number of ways if it were put into effect. First, by guaranteeing that excess food reaches those in need, it would aid in the reduction of hunger and malnutrition. By reducing the quantity of food that ends up in landfills, which adds to environmental damage, it would also encourage sustainability. Thirdly, it would motivate individuals to exercise greater awareness and responsibility regarding their purchasing patterns. I think that most people would agree with this law, especially environmentalists and social activists. Initiatives to eliminate food waste are already widely supported, and this rule would provide them with a suitable framework to adhere to. However, because food donations take more work, some businesses may initially oppose it. However, they may eventually accept it if they understand the advantages and possible tax advantages. After seeing a video about global food waste, I had this idea. Millions of people go to bed hungry every day, despite masses of food being wasted, which astounded me. It got me to thinking that we could address a big portion of the hunger epidemic if we could properly disperse food. Furthermore, I've witnessed eateries in my city discard a lot of perfectly edible food that could have been donated to the less fortunate. I really think that this law would increase social responsibility and empathy. In addition to aiding the underprivileged, it would raise awareness of the importance of food and the necessity of sustainable living. It has the potential to significantly improve the environment and the economy if properly applied. To sum up, I believe that this rule would be a great way to address the problems of waste management, sustainability, and hunger. It would motivate people and companies to take greater responsibility and make significant contributions to society. I would enthusiastically support this bill if I ever had the chance to do so. For watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.